Benefits of almond oil for the skin. Almond oil is full of vitamin E, vitamin A, monosaturated fatty acids, protein, potassium and zinc. Almond oil works on oily, dry, and sensitive skin types. Vitamin E is an extremely powerful antioxidant. Relieves oxidative stress when your body doesn't have enough antioxidants to fight free radicals. Oxidative stress is a major cause of the deterioration of your skin's collagen layer. Since collagen keeps your skin looking supple and wrinkle-free, you want to stave off oxidative stress with antioxidants by using almond oil. Thanks to vitamin E, almond oil keeps your skin cells healthy, protects your skin from UV radiation damage, and helps your skin look smooth, soft, and free of fine lines. The fatty acids help your skin retain moisture and heal irritated skin. Vitamin A helps reduce acne as is great for cleaning out dirt and oil and prevents its accumulation in your pores. This process prevents blackheads and acne from developing. Because it's packed with these vitamins and nutrients, almond oil is a natural skincare superpower. If you're worried about using almond oil on your skin, especially if you have oily skin, there's no need to worry as almond oil is mostly non-comedogenic and unlikely to clog your pores. Almond oil can be used to mitigate the aggravation of skin inflammation or psoriasis is a handy solution before finding a progressively lasting arrangement. Applying it generously to the infected area soothes any disturbance your skin might be encountering. Skin rejuvenation. Almond oil renews and restores your skin when it's looking somewhat dull or tired. Almond oil contains mellowing properties that prove to be useful when your skin is not at its best. It levels out your skin tone and improves the appearance after some time, uncovering a better than ever form of skin. Introducing almond oil into your skincare routine would be a great decision. Hydration. Almond oil can be used to restore your skin glow. Applying it to your skin is an incredible way of securing dampness and keeping your skin shining throughout the day. Almond oil can shield your skin from the sun. The harm that is brought about by exposure to UV rays can be hindered by the use of almond oil. This isn't to say you should skip SPF, however, blending in a touch of oil can build your sun assurance benefits while additionally giving you a sparkle. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for similar videos daily.